Days ago. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we've got here a bunch of different components for your hardware that you should have ordered. You got your brushless DC motor, you got your speed controller, you got your battery, you've got your servo tester, you need that, and you've got your servo motor, okay? Really important that you have all these things. So the first thing we're gonna do is plug our battery into the speed controller. Your speed controller should be plugged into your motor, okay? You just wanna give it power. Make sure it's plugged in right. All right. And then you really wanna be careful that you don't break any fingers, so put your motor in a safe spot when you test it, okay? Away from any wires so nothing breaks. Then we have this servo tester, okay? We've got an in port and we've got an out port. You'll see on each port there's an S plus and minus. That stands for signal, positive voltage, and ground. That corresponds to the wires coming out of your speed controller and your servo motor. There are 3 colors. You'll notice that there is 1 black wire on each of these guys. That stands for your ground. So when you plug it into your servo tester, black corresponds to the negative. To send a signal out to whatever you want to test, plug your speed controller into the out port to send a signal out. Make sure the black wire is connected with that ground. You'll see lights turn on your servo tester. You'll hear some beeps, meaning we're good to go. You spin it, and you'll see your motor is now working. In this specific configuration, the motor is turning counterclockwise. If you want to change that, change any of these 3 wires together and see if it works. Then, if you want to test your motor with your servo motor at the same time, also plug your servo motor in underneath your speed controller. Make sure black is in line with the negative. Once you plug it in, you can then turn and test both your servo motor and your motor at the same time. You'll see that my servo motor turns and my motor is spinning. That's how you know your battery can do both. Thanks, guys. Woo.